Are you having trouble accessing your Apple ID or iCloud on your iPhone? It can be really frustrating, but don't worry. This issue might be caused by things like network problems, restrictions, or even some software glitches. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple steps to fix this problem. Let's dive right in and get things working again. Solution 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. First, open any browser and head to fast.com to check your internet speed. If you find that your connection is slow, try turning on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. If the connection is still weak, try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router to boost the signal. Solution 2. Check for restrictions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Once you are there, scroll down and tap on Accounts under the Allow Changes To section. After that, select Allow to enable changes to your accounts. Next, restart your iPhone to apply the changes. Then, check if the issue is resolved and you can access your Apple ID or iCloud. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings again. Tap on General, then select Software Update. If there's an update available, simply tap Download and Install to update your system. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings once more. Tap on General, then scroll down to select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then choose Reset all settings. After that, enter your passcode when prompted. Now, tap Reset all settings again to confirm and reset everything to default. And that's how you can fix the can't access Apple ID or iCloud issue on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions or run into any problems, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.